So we are in Module 1. We're doing a second day of Lesson 39. Really getting well on those number families, okay? What's our next problem that we can do? Any, many, miny, mo.
We can do 9 minus 1 is 8.
Okay, very good. So now what do we do for our addition problem? Jimmy, you have to have these 3 numbers.
9.
We cannot put 9 as the first one in an addition problem.
8 equals
8 equals? Uh-oh. Plus what?
8 plus 9.
No! 8 plus 9 would not equal 1. Think again. You cannot do 8 minus because we have a plus sign here. Help him out, Danny.
I was going to call on someone.
No, I'm going to call on someone because I'm really excited to. Next time. Danny.
You could put 1.
I can put a 1. 8 plus 1 equals
9.
9. There you go.
That's what I mean.
That's what you meant. Of course you did. Okay, next one. Using those same 3 numbers. And Naya, I love to see you excited and ready to participate. Okay, so are you going to do subtract or addition here? Guess what? You can't subtract, right? So you're going to have to add 1 plus what? What? What?
1 plus 0.
No! You have to use these 3 numbers. You cannot change it. So, remember your biggest one needs to go at the end. Which one is your biggest one? Anaya? 8 is bigger than 9?
No!
9 needs to go at the end. So what is the one that goes in the middle? Right. 8 plus 1, flop it. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Okay, so that means this one's got to be subtraction. So what do we have to start with? That's our rule. We have to start with the biggest number. The biggest number, eeny, meeny, miny. Ellie?
1.
We already did minus 1. Very good. Very good. That's exactly what we need to do. Okay. Let me come up with another one. Think hard, think hard. We gotta come up with a subtraction problem first. Oh, I erased my equal sign. Okay, Miranda.
7 minus 2 equals 9. No!
That would be plus 2, so subtract 2 instead.
Oh.
She accidentally added instead of subtracted. That's okay. Right? 7 minus 2 equals 5. Very good. Okay, so there's our subtraction. What's the addition? What's the addition? I'm having such a hard time picking Cambridge.
5, 2, and 7.
Oh my goodness, Cambridge. Pat yourself on the back. Kiss your brain. Very good. We have our math people. Maction math. That would be action math. Kennisson's losing her mind. What's going to be our next problem? Danny?
2 plus 7
I cannot do plus 7.
And then 7.
Okay? So if this one is an addition problem, my last one has to be a subtraction problem. Because I have 2 addition and 2 subtraction for every math family. Okay? I'm gonna have to get sticks or something so I remember who I've called on multiple times. Maximilian. So you're doing another subtraction problem. So what do you have to start with in your subtraction? Put that down, Anaya. What? Is 2 the biggest number?
No!
We always have to start with our biggest number in a subtraction problem. So we have to start with 7. Okay, we subtracted 2 last time, so what do we need to subtract this time? Equals? Ding, 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 ding. First graders get confetti, confetti, confetti. All right, Jimmy, are you ready? Are you ready to rumble? Okay. Oh, okay. You're not ready to rumble, but you are ready to make one. Well, that's good. Okay, Jimmy. Okay, excuse me if you're stomping your feet. If you could not do that, that would be delightful.
Was learning. I'm super ready to make one.
Oh, he's super ready. I'm super excited then. He's super ready, so I'm super excited. All right, Jimmy, what are you going to make?
I'm going to make 9 plus
We're doing a subtraction.
9 minus 2. No. Minus 5. What the?
If you need to solve it real quick, you can solve it. Use your number line or your fingers.
It's too tricky.
You could go.
It's 4.
Yeah, you can go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Very good. Okay. Who's gonna help out Jimmy? Jimmy. You do. Cambry.
5, 4. No!
What's his number again? No. Oh my goodness, Cambry. Very good. Okay, Elizabeth.
Can I choose on someone on the last one? And minus 4 is 5.
Very good, you guys. You've got it. Bye, George. They've got it. Okay, let's see. Oh, Anaya.
Can I put some?
Anaya, yours is the addition problem, the last addition problem. Uh-oh. We already started with 5, so we can't start with 5. What do we need to start with? You can start with 4. Very good. Your largest number always has to be your answer in an addition problem, right? Right. So you've got 4 plus what? 5 equals?
Not 4. 9.
There you go. You know what you could do to help yourselves out? One thing you could do, I'm just going to show you real quick. So let's say we picked that same problem, okay? So we picked that same problem. I'm just going to show you one thing that y'all can do. Oh, I'm going to keep that off. I'm going to keep that up. Okay. Okay, so what you could do real quick, first graders, is when you're doing this, you could just automatically fill in, okay, I know in addition, my largest one is going to be the 9. right? It's going to be at the end. In subtraction, it's going to be at the beginning. In addition, this is going to be addition again. It's going to be at the end. And you could fill that out and then fill all the other numbers in. Wouldn't that be easy?
I have tried that before.
What? You've tried it before? All right. And so then you could say, right away, look, the only out of here, I only have 5 and 4 left. So look at that, 5 plus 4. Over here, I have 5. Oh, I already did 5, so I need to switch them around, right? 4 and 5. Okay? And then here, I did 5 plus 4, so I know I need to switch it. 4 plus 5. Would that make my life a little bit easier? Oh my gosh. Mind blown. Mind blown. Okay, I think I'm going to start from scratch here. Okay, so blank minus blank equals blank. Blank plus blank equals blank. Blank plus or minus blank equals blank. Blank plus or minus blank equals blank. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh,
It's hard, isn't it?
it is so hard. Danny, did you start one yet? No? Okay. Start one, Danny. She wants to do 2. I'm going to stop you there. I'm actually going to say no, you need a bigger number to start with because you're going to end up with the doubles. And the doubles aren't as fun because then it's just 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, right? So do a bigger number. It doesn't have to be like 9, but just bigger than 2. 10, okay. No, you're doing subtraction. So, I mean, you could do minus 1. I don't care. You just can't do plus 1 because we're doing subtraction. No, so are you doing minus 1? What are you doing? You're minus 2? Okay. 10 minus 2 equals what? You can do it real quick. 10, 9, 8. Okay, or if you were to use the number line, right? You'd go 10 and you'd hop backwards 2. 1, 2, you land on 8. Or of course, if you're going to do all your fingers, which I think is the slowest way to go, you go 10, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Either way, you get the same answer, which is 2. Okay, 2. Or I guess 10, you take away, yeah. I'm sorry, 2, you get 8, sorry. 10 minus 2, 10, 9, 8. Okay. Jimmy, please do not interrupt me. You can sit down and you can raise your hand. Okay, if you, do you have a question about something else, Jimmy? What?
I'm making sure all my stuff.
Okay, that is very cool. You're a little off topic right now. Okay, tell me more about that later. I'd love to hear about that during the recess. Okay, so what's gonna come next? Come next. I really need to get like sticks because I cannot remember who I picked on most recently. Elizabeth? I cannot do 2 equals.
2 plus 8 equals 10.
Okay, and once again, I could go and fill out where 10 needs to be. If this is going to be another subtraction, 10 needs to be here. If this is going to be another addition, 10 needs to be here, right? Oh my gosh, that would make my life so easy. So easy. Miranda?
We could do 10 minus 8 equals 2.
Okay, and the last one, Ellie?
Do 8, 2.
Very good. Very good. Okay, are you guys feeling better about this?
Yeah.
Cambry? No, you are not drawing on that Chromebook. Put that pencil away. You've been doing so good. Don't ruin it. Right? Don't ruin it by being totally off task. Okay? Don't ruin it, man. Don't ruin it, man. Okay, who has not come up with the first one? Raise your hand only if you have not come up. I don't need shouting, okay? If you have not come up with the first one, raise your hand. I don't need to hear shouting. We'll try to get everybody to come up with the first one. That's malarkey. Jimmy, you've come up with the first one before. I know that for a fact. No, guys, you're so full of beans. I can't even. This room would be full of toots, man. So many toots because you're all beans. Cambry, I know you have not come up with the first one yet. You need a bigger one than 2 because that's just going to give you a 1 and 1 because it's a subtraction problem. Okay, 4. Don't do 2 because that's doubles, right? 2 plus 2 is 4. And then we just get 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 all over. Let's do something different for now. More fun. More numbers, more fun. You can't subtract 6 from 4. It's bigger. So for 4, we could take away 1. I don't really want you to do 2s just because that gives you 2 and 2. You could do 3. Okay? Okay. Equals? Okay. So, Anaya, can you fill in the next one?
No, we need to do the problem set from lesson.
1
Very good. We're getting better. We're getting better. My happy dance. My math dance. All right. Maximilian. Would you like to do a subtraction or an addition problem? I want you to know, are you going to do a subtraction or addition? Addition? Okay, so let's fill in that addition sign. Okay, and then you're going to do... Very good. Okay, next one, because we've already done 1, 2 addition, we know it's subtraction. Cambry, I have told you that desk is not designed for your entire body to be on top of. That I told you if I designed the desks, they would be designed for kids to launch themselves off of because I know that's how kids treat desks. But these designers apparently did not understand how kids treat desks. They are not designed for your whole body to be pushed down on it. So you need to sit up. Okay, Anaya, stop. I just am telling Cambry those desks are not designed for that. Get your hand off of it. Thank you. Jimmy! And we know this has to be subtraction because we did 2 addition already.
4 minus
Anaya, sit.
4 minus 3.
We already did 4 minus 3. What would the other one be? No, 4 minus.
4 minus 1.
What's your, no, 4 minus 1 does not equal 0. Jimmy, what's your last number? You already used 4, and you used 1. What's the last number you have left? I was so excited. I thought you guys were getting it. What?
It's 3.
Yes, 3 is the last one. And if you did it, you did 4, and you took away 1, you'd have 3. Right? 4 minus 1 equals 3. Okay, I guess we're going to have to do another one. I was hoping we'd be done so you guys can do your work. But if y'all aren't going to pay attention.
I think that's the hard one.
Oh my goodness. Put a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. Put a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. With a bubble in your mouth. I should hear you shout with a bubble in your mouth, in your mouth. Okay, Ellie. Okay. We're usually staying under 10, but I'll let you do 11. You're going to take away 1? Can we take away 2? Just for funsies. Can we? I bet you could do it. So 2. Okay, 11, 10, 9. Okay, also if you went on your number line or you've got number lines on your desk and in your desks and you hop from 11, you hop backwards 2. 1, 2, you land on 9. Okay, so 2, 9, that 2 ended up a little wonky donkey. That's okay. Then that, well, it's even worse now. I tried to fix it and I just made it worse. Okay, there we go. All right, Ellie came up with 11 minus 2 equals 9. Because we don't want to just always wimp out and say minus 1. Then that gets boring. Because you're just like, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Let's be a little braver. Okay. Anaya. I'm going to pick on Anaya and make sure she's getting it. You're doing an addition problem. Very good. Very good. Okay. Getting a little bit less scared about Miss Anaya doing the work. Elizabeth.
11 minus 9 equals 2.
Very good. So if we've got 2 subtraction, we know this last one has to be an addition, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm so proud. I'm so proud of all my babies growing up over here. Danny? We don't have an equal sign. What's this? Plus
11.
And then 11. Okay. Very good. Miranda, I'm going to challenge you, girlfriend. I'm going to give Miranda a challenge.
I always want to get a challenge.
Never. Just get, okay, be quiet, please. I want you guys to watch what Miranda's doing because your challenge for all of you is this. Okay? And you're all going to do this in your worksheets today. Okay? So Miranda, you're going to do the whole Kit Kat and Caboodle.
What?
The whole Kit Kat and Caboodle. So Miranda, what's your subtraction problem?
Eight minus 5.
Okay, we're not just playing with tissues like that. You need to wash your hands after because that's pretty yucky. Because I see you just wipe your nose and you're squishing it all up. Well, it's not very sanitary. So just wash your hands when you're done, okay? So 8 minus 5 equals
3.
Very good. Okay, so what's your addition problem?
My addition problem is minus going to be 3 plus 5 equals 3.
3 plus 5 equals 3?
No, 8.
Oh, she goofed up. Okay, are you going to do an addition or subtraction here?
Addition.
Okay.
Let's do.
Okay, we'll sit down. We'll have to get one later. I don't know. You guys have like gone through a whole tissue box in like a day, so don't worry.
5 plus 3 equals 8.
Okay, very good. So you know, since you've done your 2 addition, you have to do a subtraction here. Okay, everybody pay attention.
gonna be 8
Says how many minutes?
minus 3 equals 5.
Very good. Okay, that's all your challenge. So you guys are going to open your workbooks. I'm first going to give you, hold on. So the first thing you guys get is your lesson sprint. Guess what? These are addition problems. You guys didn't think about this. If you're at home, please pause the video, do this, turn it in on Dojo. Give yourself 10 minutes. See how many you can do in 10 minutes. Stop, please. Okay, stop. Wait. Listen. Thank you. So when it says things like 8 and 2 make, you're adding 8 plus 2, right? 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Oh, 8 and 2 make 10. All right, 9 and 1, 9, 10. Oh, 9 and 1 make 10. Okay? Don't make your life too hard. Okay, and then when you get to the problem set, you have an addition chart that you need to look at. You could even start filling it out, okay? But what you really need to look about and think about when your addition chart, Jimmy, is how to build those subtraction problems. Because then you're making your own exactly Anaya, like we've done up here. You come up with your own subtraction problem, then you need to do an addition problem that uses those same three numbers, then do another addition, another subtraction. You guys can do it. What, Jimmy? You really want to do it up on the board? What? Your challenge is right here, honey. It's in your book. You really, really want to do one on the board? It's just gonna break your heart if you don't. That I just said that's an addition chart. Y'all can fill that out or you can just use it. Jimmy, here's the deal. Jimmy, look at me. If you can get through your work and do a really good job, I'll let you do a challenge on the board. Okay? Deal? Deal? It's a deal. Good. I don't know. Look for the one that says lesson 39 problem set. It's going to be towards the very back. Okay? It's going to be towards the very back. It's one of the last pages. Lesson 39 sprint and lesson 39 problem set. Okay? Lesson 39 sprint and lesson 39 problem set.